to make a basic cashew cream, soak your cashews. You can either soak them overnight or do like I'm doing here and use hot water, boiling water, and soak them for at least 20 minutes. After the soak, you're going to want to drain them. Using a high-speed blender of choice, add as little liquid as you think you can get away with for the blender's power, and blend. Here I'm adding the salt at this stage. If you do add salt, be sure it's not iodized. And I'm using cultured homemade yogurt to culture my cashew sour cream. So I'm using, I'd say, about a tablespoon to about a cup of cashews. Blend it up, scrape it into a container, and then you can let it rest on the counter for 1 to 2 days, checking it each day, smelling it, tasting it, and when it's at the right level of sourness, it's done.